everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you know, you can have the INSET exam this year. So here I come with another video regarding your query to know the questions and the proper paper regarding the INSET November paper of the year 2021. So without wasting time, let's see the video. As today I'm gonna tell you about the recall questions regarding the NEET November paper of the year 2021. So it's my request that you can take pen and paper and write the recall topics of that exam. First question in the INSET November paper of the year 2021 is the picture of neighbor's probe was given. Second question is the least radiosensitive phase of cell cycle. Third is the digital platform for the dental health by Indian government. Fourth question was on the CBERT classification. Fifth is the picture of night eye expander. Sixth is the picture of piezo inserts, that is the having the serrated tip. Is the question on the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, placenta and salivary gland. Next question is the fifth generation night eye 5. Next question is the least radioactive phase of the cell cycle. Next question is the analgesic for the pain in case of endo treatment. Question is the crude death rate. Next question is the relative risk and odds ratio. Next question is the restorative index in DMFT. Next question is the gene for ectodermal dysplasia and cleft palate. Question is the method used to measure the fluctuated hemoglobin. Is on the black fungus. Next INSET question is on the collagen maturation affected on. Next question is the reasons or the causes of the cervical resorption. NERST index. NERST, N-E-R-S-T, NERST index. Next question is the main salt present in the supragingival calculus. Enzyme deficiency, which enzyme lead to the lactic acidosis? Next question is the highest chance of cyalolith in which gland? Next question is the mechanism of action of remdesivir. Question is the Nikolsky sign is absent in which conditions, and there are the options. So there is one YouTube short already present on my channel regarding the conditions in which you can see the presence of the Nikolsky sign. If you haven't checked it out till yet, then please check out. I will definitely put the link of that YouTube short in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that. Because if you know the condition, then where it is present, then only you can answer that in which condition Nikolsky sign is absent. Next question is coefficient of variance. Question is drug of choice from the smoking cessation condition. Question is a 5-year-old girl undergoes the costochondral grafting for TMJ 4 weeks back. What is the most probable cause of mandible deviation? And there are the options as well. Next important question is the difference between lichen planus and lichenoid reaction. This question is very important, not only for the NEET MDS but definitely for the final year students also in case of the BDS student. Next question is the tetracycline is available as in which form? So you have to know this question very well. Important question is the sequence of the staining procedure for diphtheria. Important question is the gastric secretion is inhibited by. Important question is the threshold for the measurable variable can be identified by. Next question is in toothpaste monofluorophosphate is preferred instead of stannous fluoride because less aberration, taste, sensitivity or the fluorosis. History based question is there on the ENUG. Picture based question is there on Bionature. Next question is for proper condensation in lateral condensation technique, how much angle we should rotate the spreader before removal? So there are 4 options, that is first one is the 90, second 180, third one is 270 and fourth one is the 360. Next question is on the root perforation. Question is on the pharmacology, that is the interaction between cephalosporin and warfarin. Question is on piezoremer. Next question is what are the vitamins required for the tooth development? Type of fluoride is used to arrest the grossly decayed tooth. Next question is based upon the antibody antigen reaction, that is the allergic reaction due to the honeybee bite. Options, that is the IgE first, second is IgD, third IgA and fourth IgD. So what will be the right answer? You have to mark it very well. Next question is on the principle of elevators, which you read in oral surgery. So they are asking about the Crier's elevators principle. If the latency time is 30 minutes and the contraction time is 40 minutes and the recovery time is 10 minutes, then what will be the tensionizing frequency? Option A 100, option B 40, option C 10 and option D 30. So think and then mark the answer very well. The distal cone shift technique is done for which tooth? Question is on the eruption sequence, which is very important for the maxillary and mandibular teeth. So they will be ask you a particular tooth eruption time. So all you need to know is you have to learn the eruption sequence and the time very well. Next question is on the diabetic patient. So a clinical based question will be there on diabetes. So all you need to know is to cover the topic diabetes in detail. Next question is among the ketone bodies, protein, glucose during starvation, which of the following will increase in urine? Next question is on the hemangioma of tongue. Question is on the classification of dental caries. Already one more video is out on my channel regarding the classification of dental caries. Don't forget to check out that video. I will definitely put the link of that video in the description of this video and in the I button. So don't forget to check out that. Question is on the swing lock. Where is this indicated? Question is on the angles classification and the molar relations. Question is on the major connector and the minor connector, which you read in prostho. Next question is regarding the direction of the placement of gingival retraction cord. So very important that it is towards the gingiva or away from the gingiva or towards the tooth or away from the tooth. So you need to clear your concept regarding this too. Next question is on the obligate anaerobic bacteria. Next question is on the cleft lip and cleft palate. Already there is one video is out regarding the recalled questions for the NEET MDS 2021 paper. This video is already out on my channel. I will put the link in the I button as well as in the description. And in that video also, the important questions are the fractures and this cleft lip and cleft palate also, fluoride also, and lots of more questions are there. So don't forget to check out that important questions list also, because there are the similar topics between the insect and the NEET MDS. Question is on biopsy, the types of biopsy, what is frozen biopsy, what are its indication and other extra question related to it. That's all about all the recalled questions for the inset of the year 2021 November paper. Hope you note all the questions very well and then go through the topics very well. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and share my videos as much as you can. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. You can also follow me on my Instagram with my Instagram ID shown on your screen.